Hello guys, my name is Shaima. So today we are going to create a curved wallpaper like this picture. Okay, first go to customize, then go to ceiling function, then double click on the wall, go to background wall design. Okay, so here just select it, then draw polylines. We're going to draw two rectangles inside. Okay, first one is a smaller rectangle. Okay, then second one is a bigger rectangle here. Okay, don't forget to connect the lines to the first point here. Alright, right click to cancel. Then select this rectangle, transfer to area. Okay, select this one also, transfer to area. Then if you try to move your camera here, you can see black color means the wall is overlapping. Don't worry, you can select this rectangle. See off the wall here. Okay, we increase it a bit, maybe 12, so it won't overlap. Okay. Then select the first rectangle here. Okay, you can see inside the structure layer properties here, got chamfer. Okay, inside chamfer, untick the batch edit first, then select the edge, change the type to outer fillet, then set the radius. Okay, you can change the radius. Okay, then select the second rectangle. Okay. Okay, don't worry if you cannot select it, just delete it. Okay, then draw another polylines here. Okay, remember must transfer to area first. Okay, then select it, outer fillet, then change the radius. Okay, so you can see inside the camera like this. This is how it looks like. Exit the ceiling function, then you can go to library. Okay, go to library. In finishing, got wallpaper here. Okay, just drag the material to the wall. Right, so this is the finishing. You guys can try out. Okay, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys.